Okay, loves, this is the base of how my hair looks before I start crocheting it. So basically, I just have some gel braids going straight back. You can do how many you like, but I did about 10. I would say the smaller the braids are, the neater the look would be. So the only thing you're going to need for this is your crochet hair. The crochet hair that I'm using for this video is by Braid, and I believe it's in the curl, Epsom curl, and the color 2. And I did get 2 packs of these. These packs are only $4.99. So this is literally a $10 hairstyle. And of course you need your crochet needle. So what I'm gonna do is start off by braiding the rest of my hair in the back horizontal. Okay guys, so I just finished braiding the loose hair that was hanging back horizontally, and what I did is tuck the end of it in. So this is how my hair is looking. Now I'm going to go ahead and open a pack of my crochet hair. Here's a closer look of how the hair came. It did already come pre-crochet. So literally you don't have to separate the curls. Each curl is separated already. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull one out. And I'm gonna start in the back. Okay guys, we are officially done with the first pack of hair. I'm about to go ahead and open the second pack of hair and start on it. Okay guys, this is the finished look after 2.5 long hours. Pause. Y'all, I look bomb. And remember, this is literally 2 packs, not 2.5, but 2 packs. Remember that, like I showed you guys at the beginning of the footage, this pack of hair was only $4.99. $4.99. I don't know if you can see that, but this pack of hair was literally only $4.99, and I only used 2 packs, so this is literally a $10 hairstyle. And I am shook. Do y'all see me? Your girl is shook. Wow. 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 I am going to show you guys the back. The hair is pretty long. Guys, I haven't even put the mousse on it yet. I'm about to go ahead and do that on camera. This is literally some cheap mousse that I bought from my local, actually I didn't even buy this from my local beauty supply store. I believe I got this from the dollar store for $1.99 to be exact. This is the super hold mousse. I'm gonna add a little bit of this on it. Wow. Guys, I am in shock. Wow. Wow. Here's a close-up of the crochet. Guys, I am literally in shock. The good thing I would say about this hair is that it didn't get really frizzy, so I most definitely will be using this hair again. I'm hoping this style lasts me about 2 to 4 weeks, but I will keep you guys updated on that. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.